Welcome to today's market update on Ajayastro Miniguru, where we bring you the latest insights and in-depth analysis of the Mumbai Pulse market. This morning, the Pulse market has shown a stable trend overall, with a few notable movements, particularly in the prices of Pigeon P, Tur. Let's explore the details of how various Pulse commodities are performing. Starting with Pigeon P, or Tur, the market has seen a mixed performance. The lemon variety of Tur has witnessed a decline in its price by 100 rupees, now trading at 9,550 rupees per quintal. This drop reflects some softness in demand, which has led to a downward adjustment. Despite this, other Tur varieties have remained stable. For example, the Sudan variety, which is known for its consistent quality, is holding firm at 10,500 rupees per quintal, showing no signs of fluctuation in its pricing. Meanwhile, the red Lakoti variety, a popular choice in the market, remains steady at 7,900 rupees per quintal, indicating a balanced supply-demand equation. Similarly, the Matwara Tur is maintaining its price at 8,200 rupees per quintal, showing no major market disruptions. In the imported varieties, the Mozambique Gajar and Mozambique White varieties continue to be stable, trading at 8,300 rupees and 8,400 rupees per quintal, respectively. These imported varieties often serve as alternatives to domestic Tur and have found steady ground in the current market conditions. Further, Tanzania Bariadi Tur prices are also stable, quoted between 8,300 rupees to 8,400 rupees per quintal. However, the Kenya Rose Tur variety has seen a minor decline, dropping by 100 rupees to now trade at 8,350 rupees per quintal. Similarly, the Tanzania White Tur has also experienced a decline, now trading at 7,900 rupees per quintal, a reduction of 100 rupees. However, the Dodoma variety has remained firm, continuing to hold its price at 8,000 rupees per quintal. Moving on to P, or Matar, the market has displayed remarkable stability across the board. Both Russian Yellow Pea and Canada Yellow Pea have maintained their prices. The Russian Yellow Matar is steady at 3,600 rupees per quintal, while the Canada Yellow Matar is holding firm at 3,850 rupees per quintal. At key ports like Hajira and Mundra, there are no significant price movements, with Russian Yellow and Canada Yellow continuing to trade at stable rates between 3,600 rupees to 3,700 rupees per quintal, showing a calm market for pea varieties. In the Urad market, there has been a slight upward movement. The FAQ Urad, a frequently traded variety, has seen a small price increase of 25 rupees during the opening session. It now trades at 8,500 rupees per quintal, indicating a marginal strengthening of demand in this segment. Chickpea, or Chana, has shown stability in most of its varieties. The Sudan variety Chana continues to hold its price at 7,600 rupees per quintal, reflecting steady demand and supply conditions. The Tanzania variety Chana is also stable at 7,050 rupees per quintal, while the new Tanzania variety is quoted at 7,200 rupees per quintal, showing no signs of price fluctuation. However, the Australia Chana has seen a slight decline in its price, dropping by 50 rupees to trade at 7,450 rupees per quintal. On the other hand, the Mundra Australia new variety has maintained its price at 7,500 rupees per quintal, indicating that the market remains balanced despite minor adjustments. The lentil market, particularly for Masoor, is also reflecting a stable outlook. The prices for different varieties have remained firm, with Canada Masoor X Mundra Port quoted at 5,950 rupees per quintal, and Canada Masoor X Hajira Port at 6,000 rupees per quintal. The Canada Crimson variety, a well-regarded option in the market, is holding its price at 6,100 rupees per quintal. Meanwhile, the Australia Nipah and Australia Jambo varieties, known for their quality and consistency, are stable at 6,100 rupees and 6,150 rupees per quintal, respectively. In conclusion, the Mumbai Pulse market has remained largely stable today, with only a few price fluctuations in specific commodities, such as Tur. The overall market sentiment appears calm, with steady demand and supply dynamics shaping the current prices. As always, we will continue to monitor the market closely and bring you the latest updates and insights. Thank you for tuning in to Ajayastro Miniguru for your daily Pulse market updates. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed about all the latest market trends.